Hey, I swear we up, man. We had our teas today. I see what getting on in there, bro. Listen, I telling you. Yo! Hey, this your boy Tension, man. We back with another one. As I seen in the beginning, we had our teas, man. With that being said, we had our teas, man. We had our teas. Highly requested spot, man. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, highly requested spot. Everybody could tell me I need to go teas, I need to go teas. And one table teas, I put them on the same level as chicken fried when it comes to the timing and when you go for the food. You have to go to these places like early morning. Like once you go and you see the food first come out, that's when it's time to grab. After 12, I don't care, I tell you, me and if you get that fresh, man, me you know what I talk about. I get the food early. We here, we get everything was like $22. So I'm sure I wait till they get. Sauce spill and all kind of stuff, man. Like I stay spilling this gravy thing. I stay doing it. Sure, I wait till it's going on, man. Hold on. Now, oh man, we have some rice and beans and some stewed goat. Yes, man, stewed goat. We have teas early. Listen, like I tell everybody, man, some of these places I don't went to before I start doing this review thing, man. But teas is one spot that don't disappoint. No matter what plate you get, it's small or large, it don't disappoint. Like once you go early, food fresh, everything gonna be good. The rice good, beans good, the goat stewed to perfection, tender and chewy, man.